Professor, the Honorable Deputy CM has also, in the course of his reply, indicated that there was going to be an allocation of smart city schemes in certain areas. Because he brought it in context of this, are we then to infer that a smart city project for redevelopment of that entire area is in the mind of the government?
I've said, in and around Shillong, smart city has been so kind by the government of India to even include in the list. So therefore, wherever necessary, not necessarily only here in Maulonghan, but wherever necessary, Urban Affairs Department is working out a proper detailed plan on this, and that's why we're saying, because Maulonghat is the main hub commercially, then we thought maybe we can redevelop even that area. But right now, I'll not be able to say anything because I think we know well the terms of reference of this committee. Committee has to submit the report to the government. Then only I think we'll be able to share all the details.